RTX 5070 Powered Beast. iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh PC Review. Is this pre-built worth your money? Ever feel like your current gaming setup is sabotaging your potential? You're not alone. Choppy frame rates, endless load screens, and constant overheating aren't just annoying, they're motivation killers. You're stuck waiting on outdated tech while your friends pull ahead. Missed shots, laggy streams, and frozen screens have turned every session into a grind. Whether you're trying to clutch a victory or push content to your channel, unreliable gear keeps blocking your success. It's exhausting, right? No matter how hard you grind, bad tech holds you back. Enough's enough. It's time to break free from outdated, frustrating limitations. But what if that struggle got worse? Imagine hitting a game-breaking crash right as you're about to win, or losing hours of progress on a project because your rig froze mid-edit. Crushing deadlines? Missed followers? Losing interest. Creativity? Dead. Your PC sounds like it's ready for takeoff, yet it can't handle modern games at 60 FPS. You're stuck in a cycle of stress, wasting money on upgrades that barely help. Why are you still battling outdated tech? Every lost match, every missed stream, every stalled video edit is your potential slipping away. Don't let poor performance define your future. Now, meet your upgrade solution. The iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh Gaming PC. Powered by a beastly Intel Core i7-14700F processor, and the latest NVIDIA RTX 5070 12GB GPU, this pre-built gaming PC is built to crush games and multitasking alike. With 32GB DDR5 RAM clocked at 5200 MHz, and a 1TB NVMe SSD, load times vanish and 4K gameplay runs silky smooth. Plus, the mesh airflow design, RGB fans, and tempered glass case keep things cool and looking stylish during marathon sessions. This isn't just a PC. It's your personal upgrade to victory, productivity, and dominance across every gaming arena. Forget the headaches of piecing together custom builds. The iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh simplifies everything, offering elite-level performance straight out of the box. Game, stream, edit, and multitask without breaking a sweat. The included Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Windows 11 Home, and a no bloatware promise mean you're ready to play from day one. USB 3.1 ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs provide versatile connectivity for any setup. Toss in a free RGB keyboard and mouse, and you've got the complete package. Curious how this rig stacks up? Stick around as we dive into its real-world performance and why this might be your best upgrade yet. Thousands of gamers have already unlocked their next-level experience with the iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh RTX 5070 gaming PC. Now it's your turn, but act fast. These rigs don't stay in stock for long, thanks to their unbeatable mix of power and value. Whether you're chasing frames or chasing dreams, don't let this opportunity slide. Click that link, secure your setup, and join the winner's circle today. Why settle for lag and frustration when you could be running every game in 4K Ultra? Buy now, dominate forever. Limited stock, don't wait. Win more, stress less. Level up today.